Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Bluetooth device is on and discoverable. This matters because the iPhone only lists active devices. Next, unlock your iPhone and open Settings, then Bluetooth, or swipe down to open Control Center for quick access. If this is the first pairing, keep the accessory in pairing mode so it appears. Once you see the device name, tap it to pair. This action both authenticates and establishes the audio route for future connections automatically. Once paired, make sure the accessory is connected. If not, tap its name under My Devices. Then open a playback screen like music, phone, or a video and tap the AirPlay icon to view audio outputs. Choose the Bluetooth device to route sound. You're doing this because apps may default to the internal speaker until you explicitly switch. Finally, adjust volume on both your iPhone and the accessory to get a clean, balanced sound without distortion or clipping during playback. To finalize, test audio with media or a call and verify calls and notifications route correctly. This confirms profiles are set. If sound is intermittent or delayed, disconnect and reconnect from the Bluetooth menu. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, forget the device in settings and repair to reset pairing data. Make sure firmware and iOS are updated. A key troubleshooting tip: restart both the iPhone and accessory before deeper steps, since that resolves most stubborn connection and routing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.